to the door and yelled that this decision had come down. And they were yelling that we will no longer have triple sessions. We are going to be, in September, we'll be going to integrated schools. Or so we thought. 2 years later, a second Brown decision came down. And in that decision, the critical words were, with all deliberate speed. We are still trying to figure out what that means. Because I took note of the interesting word here, fulfilling the true promise of school integration. Now, after all of the opposition to Brown, and Brown 2, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which at that time ran from Mississippi, Texas, Alabama, all the way over to Florida. It has since been broken up into 2 districts. It's now the 5th and the 11th. But the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, sitting in Mississippi, Alabama, and Texas, wrestled with what to do to integrate the schools. Now, the Supreme Court, in trying to get to a unanimous decision, did a lot of compromising. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, in trying to implement integration, came to the conclusion that they were never going to get the votes that were necessary to do that. In my wisdom, one of the judges on that court came up with the idea of moving forward using the term desegregation. So if you go through all of the cases, all the way from Brown, all the way through all of the cases at the circuit court level, you will see that the United States of America to this day has not made a commitment to integrate schools.